So today we will start the new session. Before we must watch the queries or the pictures which sent by Leo. I want to look at the pictures. This one. Okay, color change, no space for retracement candle. Okay. And morning star. Okay. Okay. Retracement doji. Okay. So when you find the evening star and morning star pattern, you must use the candlestick math. Candlestick math will give you the clear answer that where is the level, what's the outcome of these 3 to 4 candles, and then you can use, as I teach you about the this morning star or evening star pattern. If you find a retracement candle, it confirms you that that is a level. You can go with the bias. Then, if you find there is no retracement, it's another trend continuation signal. Then you go with that signal. If you see there is no retracement and the candle close in the direction of the pattern, then you can continue with the pattern. So these things in the patterns you consider when you're analyzing the market. And now we are going to the new topic, that is a spinning top and bottom. First of all, spinning bottom you will never hear from anyone. Spinning bottom, so you keep in mind that if the spinning candle appeared in the top, you can say that is a spinning top. Okay, when the spinning candle appear in the bottom, you can say that it is a spinning bottom. It's not a spinning top. Top means at the top, bottom means at the bottom. Okay, you will never hear before about the bottom and the top, because we are using the words, we must understand the meaning. When you are on the phone call and you are asking me, sir, I found a spinning top in the downtrend, so my thinking will hit, so maybe in the corrective wave of the bias, he found the spinning top like this one, that is a downtrend. And you are asking me, sir, I found a spinning top, so spinning top must be appear here. But if you say spinning bottom, then must be appear here, then I can understand, oh, spinning bottom, it means the impulsive wave. On the impulsive wave you will find the spinning bottom. But when you say the spinning top and downtrend, it means I will consider the spinning top is appearing on the corrective wave of the bias candle. So the information, the exchange of the information must be true, must be right. Then we can understand what you are asking from me and what I'm answering to you. These things are very important. So here,
Yes, sir.
this one, okay, is good. Okay, so sometimes you are very hurry in the trading. You must understand this. This type of support and resistance, support in the downtrend is working only 70%, not 110%. You must understand this support can be broken, There are, you are lucky it's not broken, you got a green candle, but most of the time I saw the support so many times it's broken. Okay, so you must understand that in the downtrend you only use the resistance level, and in the uptrend only you will trade on the support level. It's your security, it's your safety of margin for the trading, and it's your rule, it's your strategy, it's your patience. All the things is there if you following the rules. So this one, if you are taking this on the support, so it's very risky trade. Sometime you will win, sometime you will lose. When you lose, you will never understand why the support and resistance is not working, because after you are in the downtrend. Okay, every resistance will work here, every resistance will work here,
Yes, sir.
but the support is very rarely working, because we are in the downtrend. The major force is the downtrend force from the sellers, so sellers can be help to each other. Okay, so when you see the resistance level in the downtrend, you can trade. When you see the uptrend support level, you can trade that.
So that means, sir, never.
Yes, your voice is missing.
Sir,
Yes, now
I
ask.
said never trade against trend.
Yes, that's my vision. That's my main thing, which I'm telling to you, that against the trend, it will sink you. Okay, Sometimes it will give you the opportunities for the winning trades. You will be habitual of these against opportunities. Okay. Then,
Okay, sir.
but most of the time when you will be overconfident, you will put your all money. Then I know that in the overconfidence, the traders will put the large amount of money in the one trade. So that time you will be sink. So your all efforts which you make from the drop, you make a little bit water, okay, but that water will be destroy at the end where you put all the water in here, okay. So you always take the resistance trade in the downtrend, not a support trade. After support confirming, if you find a strong candle, then you can trade. But on the support start of the trend, you don't have to trade. Okay. I can
Okay.
prove so many support level are not working there. So many support levels are not working, but so many resistance levels are working. So it's my research 110% resistance working here. Support only 70%. So 70% is not a good ratio for winning. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then now on the next spinning top and spinning bottom, we understand the meaning of the spinning top and spinning bottom, where it's appearing. So in this case, now look at understand here. So this is a corrective and impulsive wave. This is impulsive wave where the it's creating a trend. It's making a trend. It means the green candles are so many as compared to the red candles. The red candles are few, and again green candles appear in the market. So it's making a trend. So trend is moving on the waves, as you see the waves in the sea. So always see on the coastal area of the sea, you will see so many waves. So this market is like a sea, and we are trading at the coastals. These are the coastals. So you will see so many waves. So market is moving with the waves. So waves are very important. Some waves are very, do you see when in the sea, the wave is coming from so far away in the sea, but once touches here, it will go back, but for the only short time it go back. Again, this big wave will hit him, and again it will continue more far away, forward. So same, you can take the examples from the life. So corrective wave is what? That is the same wave, which is very small wave, this one. How many have a corrective wave? Candles, only 4 candles are to 5 candles, 3 to 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. But the impulsive wave have 7 to 8, 10, sometimes 12 candles. So we must understand, like this one. It's what? Correct impulsive wave. What? Look at. So this is a corrective. 2 to 3, 4 candles. Again, I saw impulse wave is failed. This wave is now failed. It's crossing the corrective wave. It's failed. Now, do you see that is a small impulsive wave? But now it's again failed. So sometime you will find, I will teach you about the impulsive and corrective wave in the deep, but now we are going to the spinning top and spinning bottom candle first. So these are very, very important also, and you can trade in the reversal and also for the continuation. There are some strategies with the spinning top I will share with you. So these are the spinning top and spinning bottom candles. Only I draw here spinning top, but you can consider a spinning bottom also. If it's appear in the downtrend, here in the down wave, here spinning top, here spinning bottom, here spinning top, spinning bottom. So spinning top and spinning bottom are the neutral candles. These are the neutral, not a bullish, strong bullish, not a less bullish. These are the neutral candles. The neutral candles, sometimes it's continue the trend, sometimes it's reverse the trend. Why? Because the wick of upper side and lower side are same to the body. It must be same to the body or larger to the body. Our body must be smaller and the wick must be larger, but both wick must be near to each other. That is the sign of recognizing the spinning top and bottom candle. So these two candles can be any type of color, green or red. It's just showing you that this is the neutral period for the buyers, neutral period for the sellers. But in the spinning top candle, where it appearing before the candle of the spinning top is a strong one or the weak one. So these candles are a strong one or weak one. That is the main thing to understand the spinning top, where the spinning top is appearing. I will show you in the chart, and then I will give you idea that how we can trade. But the visible lines of the spinning top is acting as a support and resistance level, because in this candle two times price reject, one time from the sellers, one time from the buyers. So it means why we are saying neutral, because it's reject from two sides, and the rejection power is same from the sellers, from the buyers, because these both wick are same. That's why we are kindly calling the spinning top. Okay, so if you are finding that in the downtrend, end of the downtrend, there are so many chances that spinning top candle or a spinning bottom candle is a sign of reversal. But if you find in the middle of the trend or starting of the trend, so that is a sign of the continuation in the uptrend, or if you find in down wave, that is a sign of continuation in the downtrend. How? There are so many other examples. Look at, if you find any pattern, any type of pattern, bullish pattern after downtrend, the bullish pattern appeared and then a spinning top is appearing. So this spinning top after a bullish pattern is sign of continuation, you can continue. But after some candles, 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles, you see here a spinning top, same spinning top. So that is a sign of reversal. Now, in the start, the sign of continuation, in the end, sign of reversal. Instead of this green spinning top, if you find the red spinning top, so it shows that the buyer's pressure is still there. Seller's pressure is still there. If the volume is increasing in the red spinning top, then you can continue. You can say that the buyers is still available in the market. Like if volume increased on the spinning top candle, so it shows that the buyers is still alive. They want to go up. I will when I show you in the live chart, then you will understand so much. But here, just to understand the levels of the spinning top, these one and this one, this one and this one. These are the spinning top levels. Okay, and then here. So you can trade like this one. If you find a spinning top in the downtrend and there is no support level here on the closing price of the spinning bottom, this one, there is no support level, then that is a sign of continuation. If there is a support level here, that is a sign of reversal. This support level can be you get from the wick of the candle, previous candle, that can create a support level. Maybe color change, maybe any past price action, maybe round number, you can get any support from here. But if there is no support, then this is true that that is a support. That is a support. This, which one? The spinning bottom, this one is a support level. That is a resistance level. So when the candlestick right close on the support level, then you can consider the market can goes up. If crossing, it means breakout happen. If the candle crossing the 50 level, like this one, the 50 level, then you consider the next candlestick will be the green. Why the 50% breakout are always the fake breakout. But if you find that this breakout is not a 50%, like it's the candle is finishing here, okay, that is a sign of again continuation. You can continue more here. Okay, so you must understand where the candlestick forming. This one, same scenario. There is no support resistance level here, then market continue. There is a resistance level here. This one you can say that is a resistance level from the wick, from any round number, any other price action in the past. So you can consider as a resistance level. Only you can trade a spinning top, a spinning bottom on the support and resistance levels, and also you can trade with the volume. So I saw so many videos from the other teachers and other YouTubers. They are saying that if you found the spinning top candle is appearing on the support level, or any pattern appearing on the support level, so once you clear your mind, each and every pattern always appearing on the support level. each and every pattern always appearing on the support and resistance level. Without support and resistance level, the pattern cannot appear. So you must understand, this is the first condition, that each and every pattern must be creates on the support and resistance level. The second option is that if you find before there is a breakout with the candles, after breakout there are chances then without support and resistance pattern can be appear. If I say there is a breakout of these candles, yes, so now there is no support and resistance level, the spinning top is appearing, so that is a sign of continuation. And if there is no breakout here, and that is the previous support level, then that is a sign that now the spinning top or bottom is appearing on the support level. This one, if you found a breakout from previous two same color candle, then or maybe there is a range here, this one start from here, there is a breakout of this level, so after breakout you can find the spinning top or bottom. And the second condition, you can also find on the support and resistance level. You must understand from which operation you are finding the pattern. Okay, now I'm going to show you on the chart. Here, just we are finding the support and resistance and the spinning top and bottom candle. So sometimes you will be confused with these type of candles. You can consider this as a spinning top or bottom, yes or not. That is not a spinning top and bottom candle. That is a bullish candle. Also, that is not a no, no, no. Yes, you can see it's what suggesting very narrow body, and the larger wick, and these both wicks are very, very close to each other. That is a spinning top candle. So where the spinning top candle is appearing, look at, there is a pattern outside bar. Outside bar, there is a pattern. After outside bar, you found a spinning top candle. That is a sign of continuation. You go with the buyers. Don't go with the sellers, because before there is a pattern. If there is no pattern before, then you can consider that is a rejection from the sellers, volume increased, you go with the sellers. But before there is a pattern, so that is a sign of continuation, you go with the buyers. And then here, look at, you can consider that as a spinning bottom candle. Yes. Where is that appearing? After a breakout, do you see there is a breakout of this round number? That is a sign that after this breakout, you found a spinning bottom candle. Yes. Now that is not a sign of reversal because it's not creating on the support level. There is no support here. That is a retracement candle of this breakout. It's the sign of continuation trend. You can continue. That is not a reversal trade. And then that is a look at. So what's it? Also, there are two things now here. The small trend in the uptrend with two candles. Little bit breakout. Also, there is a support. So now two things are combining here. This one getting support from the level. This one. So this one and this one is a level. Okay. So we are getting this wick. Okay, because that is showing that that is a support level, and also it's showing that that is a color change now, and that is also saying that there is a breakout, the fake breakout, and the spinning bottom candle is appearing on the support level. Now you can place a trade here for the call option. So this one is not a spinning bottom candle, that is a spinning bottom candle. Okay, a spinning bottom candle. Now look at, do you find there is a pattern here? This pattern, that is a validation of the pattern. Go with the sellers. It's not a reversal here. Must understand all the patterns.
Sir,
So
it's
that is
engulfing.
what?
Sir, that was engulfing.
Yes, that's an engulfing candle. Okay, that's an engulfing
Yes, sir.
candle, and that is a sign of continuation. So look at here. Why this candlestick is appearing here? That is a spinning top candle. That is a Reversal sign, why? Because it's appearing on the resistance level. So if we are saying that we find there is a resistance level, it's appearing on the resistance level, that's the resistance. And then if you see, there is also,
Outside bar.
no, which one?
Sir,
This one.
this one.
This one is the outside bar. Yes.
Yes, sir, this one.
Yes, that is the outside bar. Okay.
Okay.
That's the outside bar. But I'm talking on this spinning top candle. So this spinning top candle shows me that a seller's pressure, because there is a before, there is a pattern also, and there is a resistance level. On the resistance level, it's showing the pressure. So, and another thing, the support and resistance, this resistance is what showing. This wick is showing that is another resistance level. So this is not a sign of continuation, because before there is no pattern. Before there is no pattern. If there is a bullish pattern, if there is a bullish pattern, then you can continue after this one. But there is no bullish pattern. Then that is a sign of reversal. You continue with the sellers. You must understand before there is a pattern or not pattern. You will find so many examples. Look at what I'm saying you is that is a pattern, spinning top going up. So always you will find these type of candles. It's very simple. Very, very simple. So look at, if I'm considering that as a spinning top candle, do you see, is there is any a bearish pattern? No bearish pattern. It's a bullish pattern. It means that is a retracement. You can go with the buyers. Here now, it's showing that is a pattern. Okay, so this pattern is showing that the after this pattern, I found a spinning top candle, because if it's in a downtrend, then it's spinning bottom. So look at, yes, in downtrend. So it's spinning bottom candle. Okay, so it's sign of continuation. Go with the sellers. It's not a reversal sign here. Also, they change the entry point. Just I found more example, then I will go to other topic. So here, what is here? Spinning top, reversal candle, again spinning top, continuation sign, go with the buyers. Okay, so you must practice on it and it will give you good results. You must understand before, if there is a pattern, then you continue with the pattern. If there is no pattern, then the sign of reversal or sign of continuation if there is any pattern. Okay, and now the another thing. Here we understand this one, 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 and chart reading is still pending, because now we cover all the patterns, so we will read the chart also. Color change, candlestick pattern, support and resistance all covered. Hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, hanging man, Marupusu, it's remaining. Okay, so we will must cover this one. And then doji, also bullish, bearish, PSN line, spinning top, morning star, all the support and resistance covered. Round number covered, breakout, gap SNR covered, gap down SNR also, overlapping, fractal, and dynamic. It's this is also remaining. Major and minor SNR, this one also remaining. Trend line, yes, trend line also remaining. Hidden SNR between two candles also, it's clear, 50% clear. Supply and demand, it's remaining. This one clear, this one not clear. Okay, so
सर
now,
रिजेक्शन, सर रिजेक्शन पे कोई
yes,
क्लास होगा
rejection,
सर?
yes.
ओके सर.
Also there is a cross with on the rejection. Okay,
सर,
and today
I
we will,
have one question, sir.
yes, ask me.
Sir, inside bar, outside bar, bullish and bearish harami. How to trade?
I yesterday in the class I told, I before yesterday I think I cleared about the spinning top, about the inside bar and bearish harami. Okay, once
Oh,
again I will clear
that
you.
was clear. Okay, sir.
Once again I will clear you.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, brother.
What about fractal support and resistance level?
Okay, now I'm going to the fractal support and resistance. Look at now here. First, to understand the fractal formula. What's the fractal formula? The fractal, the 5-period fractal shows the higher high, higher lows. What's higher high and higher lows? So if this high, the two candle left is low from this high and two candle from the right if low from too high. There will be the fractal. There will be the fractal. If from this lower low, the two candles is above and two candles is above, there will be the fractal. Okay. If the in from this high, the two candles are below and two candles from here below, so there will be the fractal. So now the fractal will be here, here, and here. Just I'm going to draw the fractal here. You will see here how the fractal is working. So 5-period, okay? Where I draw, is there fractal? Here, there is a fractal. Here, there is a fractal. Here, there is a fractal, okay? So it what's showing? That from this lower low, the two candles above from here. So that is a fractal level, okay? And now from here, this is a above level, the two candles below, That is a fractal level. Here also, two candles below, fractal level. So how who can take the support and resistance level now? Look at, there is a color change level. That is a color change candle. Which wick will I take from these two candles? The red one or the green one?
Red one, sir.
So red one. And there is a fractal here.
Yes, sir.
So it means the fractal support and resistance is working, because we are taking also before on the color change. There is the resistance, the second to create making a range. So this fractal SNR is also the same, because we are taking this one from the color change also. And now here, that is a support level. So which wick I will take from these two color change candles? This one.
Yes.
And there is also a fractal. So this is a fractal support and resistance level. So now color change level, you can recognize if there is a color change, and fractal will show you that is a wick you can select from the resistance level or support level. Okay. So now it will be helpful on the color change. There is a color change. So that is a support level. And which wick I will draw? This one. And also there is a fractal. So now you can consider that the fractal levels also creating a support and resistance levels on the color change before we understand, because higher wick or lower wick will be the support and resistance level. And here also same, the support and this wick also there is a fractal. So fractal is acting as a support level. So you can consider that as a support. Okay, this is a fractal support and resistance, where that's why in the color change I'm taking the lower wick. Okay, sometimes it's working, sometimes not working. It's not a strong support and resistance level, but we are considering, because that is a lower low of the 5-period, 2-period from here, 2-period from here. That is a lower low. Okay. And then
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, brother, ask me.
So, okay, in this case, this is the support. As you said before in the beginning, that in downtrend we have to use the resistance to trade. So, how we trade in this case?
If this support and this same support we are using for the resistance level.
So after break this support.
Yes, it's acting as a resistance now. If there is a now support after breaking, it's acting as a resistance level.
Then we trade.
Yes, that is the concept. Every support can be a resistance. Now support. Now resistance. Now it's resistance, because price is below. Price is above, support. Price is below, resistance. Any type of SNR, any type of. You can find if the price is below, that is a resistance. If the price is above, that is a support. Okay?
Okay.
From here now, dynamic SNR level. What's the dynamic SNR level? We must understand. So, do you see that is a moving average acting support, 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 acting support, support, support. So all the moving averages are the dynamic support and resistance because it's showing the strength of the trend. Strength of the trend, how we are calculating. So if the candle is showing that this candle is here, it means from backward, the 50 candles backward, if we calculating the higher high and higher lows, closing and opening prices, so it shows that you are here. If the price is here or here, so it shows that you are here. It means if the candles are above, it shows uptrend. If candles are below, it shows downtrend. Because the closing and opening price of all the 50 candles, if the candles are above the moving average, then it shows the uptrend. So in the moving average, the formula is we taking the closing and opening price of the 50 candles and calculating after 50 candles, then it shows the line. This line is showing where are you now in this trend, the trend in uptrend, downtrend, or where. If the candles are so much up, it means a strong uptrend. Candles are near to the 50. It's what showing? It's equal to the 50 period. The previous 50 period, 50 candles are equal to this level. It means the trend is on now equilibrium. So we don't know that this is not an uptrend now. It's an equilibrium, range market. Here it's showing uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. All they're showing uptrend. Here equilibrium. Here it's below downtrend. Above here now it shows equilibrium. So when you find the moving average between the candles like this one, it's showing the ranging market. When the trend is on the equilibrium, buyer and sellers have the same period, same power. But if the candles are above, you can consider that is a support or uptrend. Candles are below, you can consider that is a downtrend. And then here now, the uptrend is broken here on the 50. And instead of 50, if you are using 14, 9, 15, 27, 29, 20, any type of moving average, if you use it, act as a support and resistance level. And also showing the trend. It means the two outcome will be from the moving averages. One, the trend direction, and the another, the support and resistance. That support and resistance is a dynamic support and resistance. If it touches here, you will see the reaction. Do you see the reaction on the moving average when the price touching? Yes. So that's the sign that there is a rejection on the moving average. There is acting as a support level. If the price is below, do you see there is a rejection on the moving average? It's showing that is a resistance level. So these moving averages act as a dynamic support and resistance. If you need this moving average, you can use. If you want to use for the trend direction, you can use only the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is a good for to identifying the trend. Okay, but the shorter the period of the moving average is showing the smaller the trend. As much as the you are increasing the period of the moving average, it's showing the stronger the trend. Okay, and then here trend line and horizontal line. Okay, that this will I will cover. So major and
Sorry,
minor. Yes, yes.
it's just a moving average or exponential moving average.
Exponential moving average, and there is a simple moving average. Okay,
Okay.
so what's the difference? The exponential are the so much fast. They are performing so much fast, and they are giving us results so much fast. And simple, the formula is based on the slope. little bit slow. If I draw the 50 moving average is a simple, it will give me result but little bit late. That's why we are using the fast moving average. So that is a SMA 50 now. Okay, and that SMA, it will be color yellow. And now see, do you see here? It's showing me the earlier the trend is downtrend. It's showing me the late. Okay, it's showing me earlier the trend is changing the direction. It showed me the late, the trend is changing direction from here, but it's showing me earlier. So exponential are the what? They are the fast moving averages, giving the results very, very fast. Here, it's giving me result here that the trend changed. Okay. Here, look at. So there is another thing here. I'm going to show you that is a very, very nice thing. So if you see when the gap between the 50 and the gap start from here, now that is the end of the gap. Okay. After here, the gap is slowing down. So if you see the gap is increasing, it means the reversal will be happen. That is my strategy, let's just. So here I'm seeing that the gap is increasing. I will see the reversal here. If there is any pattern, it will be goes down for 5 minutes. If like this one, now it's a pullback. But again, I'm just going to show you the example. So here, just I got, yes, here. Do you see there is a gap between the 50 SMA and 50 EMA? And I found a pattern here. So that is a sign that market will goes up. So sometime, and this is what called, this is called the expansions of the moving averages. Now I'm just to give you the another idea about the moving average. That is a constriction between the EMAs. Okay, constriction. Okay, I'm changing this one into EMA and 20. So here, just I have found there's something. So here, do you see it's going down, it's going up, and the price is stuck between this one. So this is a constriction of the EMAs. Constriction when it's from the wider to the smaller, it's changing the, it's tightening the moving average. So that is a sign that market is going to change the direction, and you will see the change the direction. So EMAs are so much based, it's giving out so much information, but these are very tricky to understand. Sometimes because these are the lagging indicators, sometimes when candlestick change, it change the reaction of the moving average of the direction. So sometimes you will be confused between the moving averages. You just take the moving averages as a support and resistance level. Support, all this support and resistance and trend direction, it's enough for the price action. Okay, and then the major and minor SNR level. What's the major and what the minor? So here you can go to click the 3 hours. On the 3 hours, do you see the movement from here to here is a strong, like a 60 to 70 minutes, 50 minutes, 40 minutes can be counted. 40, 50, 70, 60. So this support is what called, it's a major support. It's a major support because trend changed. From here, the trend changing down. It's showing the major resistance level. Okay. So it's a major, not a stronger. Okay. Stronger is another thing. The major is another thing. Okay. Yes, the major have so much power because it changed the